Photoshop just released some dope updates and I want to show you what they are. So first up, we got one-click delete and fill. So when you use the object selection tool, you can see on my toolbar, the object selection tool selected. I can select my layer and then you can see it will identify the knife. I'm going to left click once. All I got to do is right click and click delete and fill selection. And it's basically going to get rid of the knife and fill the background with pixels of the background. So you can see it's basically gotten rid of it. It's super fast, super easy. Next up, we actually got a restoration mode in the neural filters. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to go to filter, go to neural filters. And I'm going to go down to photo restoration, as you can see that. And so with the power of AI, I can click on photo restoration and it should fix up all these little markings and damages to the photo. So we've got that. So I can see on my right side, I can see photo enhancement, enhance the face, and the scratch reduction. So if I bring the photo enhancement up, you can see it will increase the details. I'm going to go scratch reduction. I'm going to bring that up as well. And obviously Photoshop would process it. Wow, look at that. It got rid of all the markings, especially that, cut and scratch on the right side and even on the left edges as well. And it's done an amazing job. Just look how insane that is. Super easy to fix it. Like, it's amazing. I'm gonna press OK. Now Photoshop has also enabled the share feature. So I go to share, I can invite to edit and also share for review. So if I want to share it to a client, or maybe I want them to give me feedback. And so once you share that, you can see the link name and then I can choose if I only want invitation only or to the public so anyone can use it. I'll make create link. Now, once that's done, you get this link and basically I can click on that and it's going to open that document. So you can see here, design one, the file we named in my files. And then now they can come in here and say, love the, restoration. And so I can place a pin, say this, if I want to say scratch, fixed the scratch, submit. And so the client can come in here, drop comments, super easy. I think I love that. And it just makes it super useful. So it'll be in my published files in the cloud. And to top it off now, we've also got some improvements to image processing. So if I go to my preferences and go to image processing, now you can see selections processing. I can change it to faster or more stable. So if I put it on faster, it's going to utilize your GPU. So I use a GeForce 3080 from NVIDIA. And so it's going to allow for better and faster processing when I'm doing, things like selections or neural filters. So for example, if I want to do this and I want to go like, so let's go select sky. It just works a lot faster and my computer is able to process it a lot quicker. So these are some awesome updates from Photoshop. Super improvements with the object selection, photo restoration, and a whole bunch of stuff. So now if you do want to see the updates to Adobe Illustrator, you can check this video right here to get those updates as well.